Hi, I'm Tasha from fitnessblender.com, and today I've got your bodyweight cardio circuits with buy-in and cash out workout. Warm-up is 3 minutes long. The workout itself is about 11 minutes, and that includes 2 cardio circuits and your buy-in and cash out rounds. Your cool down is about 3 minutes long. For equipment today, all you need is a mat. I'll show you some modifications along the way. But first, I wanted to chat with you a bit about a couple of options to help us continue offering our free, amazing content. Option number 1, you can join our Fitness Blender channel membership on YouTube. You'll gain exclusive access to our workout videos along with our 5, 10, and 30-day challenges. Option number 2, you can become an FB Plus subscriber at fitnessblender.com. Unlimited access to our exclusive workout videos, training plans, and all of the subscriber-only perks for the best price that we can offer. I hope that you'll consider these options, but for right now, let's go ahead and get started with our warm-up. Warm-up is a quick 3 minutes long, 30 seconds per exercise, no rest between exercises, and no repeats. As this is a quick warm-up, feel free to repeat any of the included moves as necessary, or include any other preparatory movement patterns that get your head and your body into a space ready for movement. We're going to start out with arm circles and alternating hip openers. Get into a groove that works for you. You're circling forward and back, and those legs are hurdling over your imaginary hurdle. Oh, feeling that lubrication in the hip joints. Opening externally and then pulling it back in. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling where I am stiff. Once you've gotten the flow, if you can and want to, start picking up the pace because we're going to be moving pretty soon with a little bit of quickness. You're going to find the edge of your space, bent knee inchworm, and a scorpion tap. So bend those knees, come into a squat, walk those hands out to plank, think same side elbow. Reaching that knee towards it, but not fully up. It's just a tap. Walk it back, heels come to the ground, stand back up. Little foreshadowing. Maybe our buy-in and our cash out involves an inchworm. It does. Maybe get one more in. Keep it up nice and tall after this. Right leg stays planted. You're gonna reverse lunge tap with the lefts. So it's just a tap. Reach the arms overhead, knee drive, tap it back, kick. Alternating the knee drive with your kick. Oh my goodness. Hamstrings are tight, so you can keep that knee as bent as it needs to be. Drive, swing. Oh my goodness. Why is Tasha so sore? Arms are sore too. We're just switching legs. So plant the left, right goes back for that tap, and kick. You should feel glutes on the left side this time, firing up. Oh, I did push presses recently. I'm like putting my arms overhead. I don't want to do it. Come on, Tasha, we got this. We're going to step it out with our lateral shuffles. No hop, just stay low in a nice demi squat. Don't have to come all the way down, but we do want to wake up those glutes. And we want to wake them up 360. Gluteus max in the back, medial glutes laterally. Maybe the quads are like, oh, we want in on that action. So we feel something there too. Keep your chest open. Play around with your pacing. We have arm circle jumping jacks to finish out our warm-up. So arms can circle in, or you can circle them out. Whatever feels good and natural to you. Legs hopping out and in, landing softly towards the balls of the feet. Taking out that hop if you want. Not a problem. We get 30 seconds off. Then we're going to go into our buy-in. It's 1 minute long. You're going to count your reps. There's that 30. It's a bent knee inchworm to a push-up. Walk it back, jumping jack. That's 1 rep. You're doing that on repeat for 1 minute, and you're going to try to count your reps and remember them. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. You also have the option to keep your legs straight for the inchworm. I'll show you both. I'm going to start with bent knee. Remember to count. Move a little, Tasha. Deep in. Just like warm up, bent knee. Walk it out From here, knees can drop down, chest in between those thumbs, push up, walk it back, jack it out. That's 1. Reset the feet, come down for 2. You can stay up. Don't have to go to those knees for that push up if you don't want to. Resetting your legs in between is totally fine. That's 3 for me. Reset, jack, reset, inchworm. You can keep those legs straight like I mentioned. You'll feel a little bit more of a tug in those hamstrings. Walk it back, bend the knees or keep them straight. I'm gonna keep my bent leg. It feels good. Heart rate should come up. Should be thinking about form over anything else. I know we're counting reps, but we want good form. Okay, hopefully you remembered your number. I don't remember mine. I'm gonna go with 5 or 6. That way I have something to beat at the end when we cash out. We are going into cardio circuit number 1. We got 3 exercises, 40 on, 20 off. You're only doing them 1 time through. So this is the board easily portion of the workout. It's almost like a board easily, but the buy-in and cash out, we do the same move twice, so it's not. All right, let's start on one side, doesn't matter where. Toes point out. You're gonna lunge laterally. 1, to the other side, 2, 3, shuffle. Go to the outside leg first. 1, 2, 3. Legs land wide. 1, 2, 3. Once you've got it, you can pick up the pace. I'm a little off screen, trying to work with my space. And you work with yours. Make sure your knees are tracking in line with that big toe. And you're landing nice and wide. If you have to reset, that's fine. You're reaching outer first. You get a whole 20 seconds off. So heart rate's not super spiked, which is great. This workout builds, it progresses. That first interval, not too bad. And you get the whole 20 off. So your heart rate can come down a little bit and we're not in a high intensity interval training zone. 4 high knee A skips, 1 squat to plank. So we drive it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, step wide, squat, step to plank, step it in, stand it up, reset, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've got it, you can pick up that pace. We're not adding that hop just yet. Learning how to moderate your intensity, moving at different speeds with different impact to elicit different responses. This is more aerobic. You're going to be out of breath, but not breathless. Don't hop like I did. I just needed to stand up fast. All right, move number 3. After this, we have our first water break. This is a quick workout. Roughly 20 minutes, if that. Single leg, pausing switch jumps. You're going to stay on one leg for 3 reps and then switch. Start right leg forward, lunge, pause up center. That's 1. Together, 2, 3. Then you'll switch. Right leg goes back. 1, 2, 3. Step and switch. 1, 2, 3. Step and switch. Tap, tap, tap. Step switch. Tap, tap, tap. Step switch. So if you don't want to go into the fullest range of that lunge, you do not have to. Almost there. Oh my goodness, and just like that, it's time for our first water break. Press the pause button if you need a little extra time. I'll meet you back here. Cardio circuit number 2, and then we'll cash out. I'll see you soon. Welcome back from your first water break onto cardio circuit number 2. Still the same deal, 40 on, 20 off, 1 time through. You'll notice these moves are progressions of what we did in circuit 1. So we're going back to our lateral shuffles, except this time we add a frog or hop at the end. A little more straightforward, a little more impact, but I think we've got it. Sink low, you'll shuffle, pause, hop it forward, hop it back, shuffle to the other side, use your space, land softly. You can go back to what we did in warm up and take the hopping portion out. So that's that laterally stepping shuffle, step forward, step back, move with a quickness and get your heart rate up and work in a way that challenges you. But throughout these 40-second intervals, you shouldn't feel a need to stop. Or at least if you do, it's only for like 3 seconds. 20 off. Walking around your space, you should feel a little bit more of a heart rate spike than what we had in cardio circuit number 1. It's good. 4 alternating knee drives, a squat thrust. You knew we were progressing that stepping squat to plank, but it is an option. We alternate 1, 2, 3, 4 knee drives and then 1 squat thrust. If you want, you have that hop to your knee drives, or you can stay here and focus on that knee drive up to the hip towards the chest. You can always go right back to your squat to plank, but just know we're only doing this once. So if you can catch control of your breath, I'd love for you to challenge yourself. Nicely done. One more exercise. And then you do get another water break. That's very kind. You get a break before we cash out. All right, so now we have pausing switch jumps. Single reps. Same thing we did. Circuit 1, but no staying on one side. You're gonna switch after each pause. Center, lunge, hop, lunge, switch, 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 option, tap, tap. Make it quicker. You can even involve those arms, straighten them out, nice and quick. Whatever you do, try to get into a rhythm where you don't have to stop. 10 seconds. Water break is coming. Okay, water break number 2. Press that pause button if you need a little extra time. Come on back, we gotta cash out. I'll see you soon. Welcome back from your second water break. Onto that cash out. It's the same move. Inchworm, push up, jack. I'm gonna try to beat 5 reps. That's what I think I did. Who knows? 1 minute. This is it. Find the edge of your space. Stick with the variation that works for you. I'm gonna do bent knee. Let's go. Remember, knees can come down for that push up. Pop them back up before you come up, and take your reset stances in between. That was 2 for me. That was 3 for me. Oh, we'll easily beat it. Why? Well, we're warm, we're familiar, and I probably miscounted the first round. Shh. Come on, we got less than 10. Come on, finish it. Finish your rep. Oh my goodness. You get to stay on the ground. I'm just gonna quiet out our beeps. You know I had to finish that. We got our quick cool down. It's about 3 minutes long, about 30 seconds per stretch. Deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. If you need to walk around your space a little bit to let that heart rate come down, please feel free to do so. We're coming into child's pose. Separate your knees, toes together, Arms out front, push your glutes back towards your heels, lower the chest, and forehead down towards the mat. Continue with your deep breathing. Regulate and slow it down. Deep in through the nose, and then long exhalation out through the mouth. That feels amazing. You're gonna find a non-slippery part of your mat coming into a down dog position. So come on up, push your glutes up towards the ceiling. Chest comes in between those shoulders, and from here you're gonna alternate a single leg calf stretch. So other foot just kind of hangs out hooked around the opposite calf. Press the heel into the ground and switch. If that's too cumbersome, your regular foot pedals are just fine. I move a little differently here because I'm just trying not to hit the mic. Make this your last one. Come to plank, bringing that right leg forward, dropping the left down towards the ground, kneeling runner's lunge, right leg forward. Oh, that feels good. If that feels like a bit much to have both hands on the ground, you can always do a tall, kneeling runner's lunge. Whatever works for you, where you feel the stretch is most beneficial to you. You can look like you're in the position, but if it's not beneficial, it's not working for you. Do what works for you. Slide out of that in whatever way feels best for you. We're just switching sides. Invite the left leg forward. Try to actively drop your hip down towards the ground. And I've stepped offset of my hands. So this left foot is not in a straight line from my hip. It's a little out. Oh my goodness. So much sweat after the fact when my body's desperately trying to cool itself down. I'm like, we're okay. It's like, I don't think so. It's okay. It's totally normal. And come out of that. Let's go ahead and stretch out our shins. So taking a seat right on top of those heels, try to keep your feet parallel to each other, and then press your body weight gently and then fully onto your heels. Should feel a nice stretch along the front and your shins and your anterior tibialis. Ooh, that feels really good. You can moderate the intensity, so if you don't want as much, just tent your fingers, push up a little bit, or you can just sit directly on it. I just don't feel this anymore. Relax. You can stay here, or you can stretch your legs out in front of you, sit crisscross, whichever position works for you. Coming into a reclining chest stretch, walking those fingertips away from your body, opening up the chest, pressing it between your shoulders. Oh my goodness. I'm like, when did those push presses happen? They're still having an effect on me. I went up in weights, and it's like a couple days later, my body's like, guess what? That was hard. I'm like, well, thank you, I know. Take one more deep breath here. And then exhale, gently come up out of that. Nicely done. You can sit in your cross-legged position. I'm gonna come back up onto my shins. We're taking our deep breath. Inhale up, reach for the sky or the ceiling. Oh, my shoulders. And then exhale, let it all out. Give yourselves a hand. That was quick, but it was spicy. Once again, my name is Tasha. I thank you so much for joining me, and I hope I get to see you again really soon. Workout complete.